Hi everyone, I'm Domiziana Catalano and this is the user activity recognition with Azure. There are two types of implementation, cloud-based and edge-based implementation. In cloud-based implementation, there is a web application that reads the values of the accelerometer of the smartphone and sends them to the server through a socket. Then the server sends these values to the Azure IoT Hub. And finally, there is a local web application in Node.js that reads the messages that arrive at the hub and visualize them in a local website. So when data arrive at the hub, they are elaborated so to determine if the user is standing still or not. Now I will present a short example of the cloud-based implementation to see how the web app works. Here we can see that messages are arriving and now the phone is standing still. So we have the axis and the activity that is 0, so standing still. Instead, in edge-based implementation, the computation to determine if a user is standing still or not are done in the web app. So the values that are sent to the hub are just the activity of the user, so if it's standing still or not. And these data are visualized in a local web application similar to the one previously presented. And now I have a short example of the edge-based implementation to see how the web app works. Here instead we can see that the user was moving, so the line was at level 1, that means moving, while now the user is standing still, so is back at 0. To read the values of the accelerometer of the smartphone, I have used the generic sensor API. I have used a very simple activity recognition model, but yet it is effective. So if the difference between the last value computed and the new value is in a certain bound of 0.6, then the user is standing still, otherwise he is moving. If you want to know more about this, then check the links in the description.